back at Kenyir, but I don't have a boat, so I'm taking Colin's boat. They are setting up in the pondok here. Okay, Tun is inflating his boat. Okay, Tuesday morning, beautiful day. We just dropped the boats. So this trip, today we only have 2 boats, but tomorrow another one coming in.
It's as hard as it gets.
Hey, I don't want to know all the hard thing wait. Hey, Tun behind. Okay, we're launching. What time now? I didn't bring my watch. Wow, hot day lah. Who say raining? Don't speak too soon. Okay, this time I'm a passenger in Captain Colin's boat. And behind is Tun. Okay, let's go. We reached Sungai Kelebu. The water is very low, so we cannot reach the mouth of the river. Okay, we are in Taman Negara. Okay, we reach this place. We think might be able to camp. Don't know. Okay, now we are heading to Cendana. Hopefully got campsite. Okay, Cendana tak boleh madi, water too low. So go find next one. Okay, we landed in Camp Singapore, as we call it. It's a place we found last time already, but you can see here water. Tunder's dock. I think we'll camp here higher because now it's rainy season, right? The water might come up. Some people say water cannot come up. I always say water can come up. They don't believe me. So then here also is water, so it's both sides. And then this is also another campsite we camped before. I think we call it Camp Semut. Yeah, but anyway, this name is all we know only. Nobody knows this name. Okay, so next will be set up camp. Oh, finally we rushed to set up cause it was going to rain, but now it clear up already. Tu fella belum makan lagi. Later only show you our campsite lah. Now tak larat tau. This is our view. This is our campsite. Still messy because we just came.
I think uncle gonna get a shock of his life, bro. So many people going swim. Green cake going, buffalo going, eat local going.
Oh, it's sunset now. Look at the colors. Golden hour. See all of them looking. It's a golden hour, pink, burning sky. Oh, sunset now. It's dark. They're looking at sunset. Then our dome here. Tun, Colin, I sleep here. Our standard dinner for the first night is satay. And then Colin preparing the kuah. Satay. Satay always tastes good.
What happened to the satay Ria?
In the jungle one. Okay, lunchtime. This is ayam what? Ayam padi. And then we got beef kunit And tengok nasi. Wow. Freshly cooked here in the jungle. Tonight we are using the Bible-like stove. This is garlic bread and lamb chops.
Do you bring salt?
Makan lamb chop banyak lagi. Memang lagi. Mine is what? Maggi goreng sate, and continuing is
Maggi goreng paru belado.
Ini goreng ke supnya? Sami sup. Paru. Jungle food. Salmon with pasta. The salmon is done. And the pasta nearly done.
Almost done.
Okay, this is dinner. Normally camping we eat simple only lah. Today is the last day. We didn't do shit, man. Lepak ni. Only makan only. In another simple meal lah in Kenyir. This ayam masak merah. Only what you cooking ah?
Nasi.
Oh, nasi. This one is beef rendang, right?
Yeah, man.
Ini dia. Boleh makan lah. Freshly cooked rice lah. Bos jemput makan. Okay. Small problem. Tun's boat sudah pancet. So we need to figure out how to fix it before we go home tomorrow. This is outboard. This is another view of where we are. This is a big lake. And there's this long stretch of land. When the water is high, this is actually separated from the bigger mainland here. So this part will be underwater. So we used to camp inside there and then call it Camp Semut because there's a lot of ants there. But because now the water is so low, we have this land bridge that connects to the mainland. So we camp there this trip. last dinner at camp. Another simple dinner. Nasi goreng ikan masin with shrimp and leftover satay. And they are having buffet, beef and rice.
What is our gigi here?
Okay, sudah pack up.
Bye bye Kenyir. We love you.
Oh, nice weather.
Good weather, man.
Nice weather to cabut. Until the next one. I never take any video also this trip. Lepas saja. Sorry, no video. Valeu! Plain. Enjoy Tun. Alamak Tun, dia boleh reverse saja.
Can reverse, can
Okay lah, reverse all the way to Gawi way. All the way.
Try forward first, see can.
You masuk forward, mati means all the way. Tun apa problem? Only can reverse, cannot forward. Okay, they are okay already. Balik.